Welcome to Haes Technologies Technical Support videos. In this video, we will look at the setup of cross-network programming. In this example, example 1, the group requirements will be that the smoke detectors on loop 1 device 2 and loop 2 device 9 on panel 1 will activate the output relay on the module on panel 3, loop 1, address 25. We want the relay output not to respond to any other alarms. So the first device is located on panel 1, loop 1. We've highlighted it there as address number 2. That's one of them. The other device is located on loop 2 on panel 1, address number 9. The I/O module is located on panel 3 on loop 1, address 25. The first step is to open up the site file for panel 1, go to the group icon at the top, then drag and drop the two devices that you want to put into the group. So you drag the device address number 2 and drop that over where it says group number 1 here. And then take device number 9 on loop 2 and drag that over to the group number 1 here. It will then load those two devices into the input box at the top of the right hand side of the screen. The lower box would be for any outputs on that group. From the right hand side of the group window, we need to set the group options as follows. So name the group if required. In this case, we've called it gas shutdown. We set the activation mode as normal. This means that any input in the group will fire at any output in the group. And we need to make sure that the shared button, shared box at the bottom there is ticked as shown. Next, we open up the site file for panel 3. Again, go to groups. In this case, we're going to the only part of the only devices in on panel 3 is the input output unit. So we drag and drop the output unit over where it says group number 1, which is the same group number as on panel 1. This will load both parts of the module. Then the input will load into the top box on the right. The output part of the module will load into the bottom box on the right. We don't require the input part of the module, so we can right hand click over where the input line and then choose remove device. This will remove the input part from the box. Again, on the right hand side of the group window, set the group options as follows. So name the group, give it the same name as on panel number 1, we call it gas shutdown. Set the activation mode to normal and make sure the shared button is ticked. So we'll share group number 1 on panel 1 to group number 3 to group number 1 on panel 3. Lastly, we need to change the response for the output part of the module. So we highlight the module. Its output responses will then pop up on the right hand side. We can then set them to the alarm response to be off, zonal response to be off, evac response off, delay response off, but the group response we need to leave as on. Stage response can go off, the alert response off, and class change off. If any of these are required, you can change those back to on, which means that response and the group response will be accepted on that module. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit our website at www.haes-tech.com.